Hi, in this video I will show you how to convert your wired Apple CarPlay system to a wireless setup. If you're tired of connecting your phone every time you get in your car and want to have a wireless connection, you have a couple of options. First option is to get a new head unit. Head units with wireless Apple CarPlay are very expensive and could cost $700 and more. If you get an entry-level wireless Apple CarPlay unit, it may add extra lag to your Apple CarPlay experience. But if you already have a factory or aftermarket unit with wired Apple CarPlay, you don't have to replace your head unit. Your second option is to get a wireless USB adapter. For the purpose of this video, I'll present a wireless USB adapter from CARABC. CARABC making multiple solutions for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto applications to make your ride more comfortable and convenient. This is a plug-and-play unit which supports both OEM and aftermarket applications. It also supports Bluetooth 5, and I will show you how to install it in your car. In my case, the head unit is a Sony AX-5500, which is a wired setup. So this is the unit itself. So it's pretty small. As you can see, there's a little rubber surface here. There's a USB-C connection. Comes with two cables, USB to USB-C adapter and USB-C to USB-C. So in my case I'll have to use the standard USB to USB-C adapter. So the device is plug and play. It's going to connect the cable. It's going to initialize. And on the screen it's going to show you the name of the Bluetooth connection that you need to make. So in my case it's SmartBox 676C, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and open Bluetooth connections. So here's the device, SmartBox 676C. So I'm going to initiate a connection. I'll do the pairing and I'll allow the access to contacts. This is the message you're gonna get, so use CarPlay with SmartBox 676C. So you select use. And then there you go. So it just starts up and you got your connection. So as you can see, the device is here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove this USB extension and I'm going to actually hide this device behind the panel. So yeah, this is it. It's very convenient. I don't have to keep my phone connected with a cable, and I can listen to the music or make phone calls or basically do the navigation. So as I mentioned, I'll leave the link in the description and you can get one of these online. Enjoy your wireless setup. Thanks for watching and good luck.